will be a retake of the Paramount Theater elevator, because why not? That was weird. Last time it chimed once. It's a Noble. Get a picture of that label for you. On my ride down, it didn't do the indicator chime. I guess it always dings. Door time is pretty long. Sounds like the fan's like making like this weird. Sounds like a door alarm. Actually, I like this picture. GL equipment. And that's it.